Hi students, welcome to Knowledge. In this video, we shall see chapter number 1 from class 11 CBSE NCERT syllabus. The name of the chapter is Sets. In the last two videos, we have seen the introduction of this chapter of what a set is and the two forms of representing a set. And we have also completed exercise number 1.1. If you have missed it, then I would recommend you to watch those videos for a quick and better understanding. Now in this video, we shall cover a few topics like empty sets, finite sets, infinite sets, equal sets and equivalent sets, so that we can do exercise number 1.2 in the next video. So let's start learning. The first one is empty set. A set which does not contain any element is called an empty set, or it can also be called a null set or void set. So now empty set will be written in the form like this, or it can be written like this. This will be an empty set with no elements inside it. So when you don't have an element inside the braces, or you don't have anything to be mentioned in a set, then it will be called an empty set. For example, if you take this set A, X such that X is a student of class 11 and class 12. So how is this possible? A student cannot study in class 11 and class 2 at the same time, right? So this means that this set will not contain any element, right? Because there will not be any student who will study in class 11 and class 12 at the same time. So you will not have anybody in this list. So it will be an empty set. The next one is finite sets. A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called a finite set. This is very simple. You have already seen this in the last few videos. That, see, for example, if you have set A, X such that X is a day in a week. What does this mean? A is equal to, then you can mention all the days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So you have only 7 days in a week. So it is definite. So this means that this set is a finite set. Next one is infinite sets. Now a set which does not contain a definite number of elements, then it is called an infinite set. For example, you take this one, set B. It has 1, 3, 5, 7 and goes on till infinity. So this is the, you all know that this is a set of odd natural numbers. We cannot find its end, right? So this dot means that it goes till infinity. So whenever a set is mentioned in this manner, then it is called an infinite set. Now you can take one more example, like set C contains X such that X is the number of insects in the world. So now this goes till infinity. We cannot count the number of insects in the world. So this can be called an infinite set. The next one is equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if they have the same number of elements. For example, set A has 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B has 3, 1, 4, 2. Now if you see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and here also you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This means that all the elements from set A is there in set B also. Okay, nothing is more or nothing is less. So this means both the sets A and B are equal. One more thing you have to keep in mind is, take this example. Set A has 1, 2, 3 and set B has 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. But when you write a set, you take only 1, 2 and 1, 3. Right? Because you will not be repeating any elements when you write a set in a roster form. So this means all 3 elements from set A is there in set B too. So even when the elements are repeated, you can ignore it and you can take this as an equal set. Okay. The next one is equivalent sets. When two sets have the same number of elements, then they are called equivalent sets. Now you take, for example, set Z has 2, 4, 6, 8 and set Y has 1, 3, 5, 7. both the elements are not same, but the number of elements in both the sets are equal, right? You have 4 elements here also. So this means both are equivalent sets. Okay. So this is the portion for exercise number 1.2. So let's do exercise number 1.2 in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Bye-bye.